Welcome to Rex TV. Enjoy the video. Please subscribe, like and press the notification bell.
Tawi-Tawi is a province in the Philippines situated in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARMM, occupying the Sulu Archipelago and the provinces of Lanao del Sur and Maguindanao in central Mindanao. Its capital is the municipality of Bongao. Tawi-Tawi is known as the Land of Peace and the cradle of Islamic civilization in the southernmost part of the Philippines. The name Tawi-Tawi was derived from the Malay word Jawi, which means far or isolated, and peopled predominantly by Sama, meaning unity and peace. The inhabitants are primarily Sama, a Muslim people speaking Sama-Bajau languages of the Austronesian family. The Tausug is the main language in Tawi-Tawi, while many also speak the local Sama language, especially in the island of Sitangkai. Still, you will never get lost in translation in Tawi-Tawi, as almost all residents also know how to speak Chavacano, Cebuano, Tagalog, Yakan, and English. It is the southernmost province of the country, sharing sea borders with the Malaysian state of Sabah and the Indonesian North Kalimantan province, both on the island of Borneo to the west. To the northeast lies the province of Sulu. The Sama Bajau is the dominant ethnic group of the islands of Tawi-Tawi. They are also found in other islands of the Sulu archipelago, coastal areas of Mindanao and other islands in the northern Philippines, as well as northern and eastern Borneo, Sulawesi, and throughout the eastern Indonesian islands. In the Philippines, they are grouped with the religiously similar Moro people. Within the last 50 years, many of the Filipino Sama Bajau has migrated to neighboring Sabah and the northern islands of the Philippines, due to the conflict in Mindanao. As of 2010, they were the second largest ethnic group in Sabah. Sama Bajau have sometimes been called the Sea Gypsies, or Sea Nomads, terms that have also been used for non-related ethnic groups with similar traditional lifestyles, such as the Moken of the Burmese Thai Mergui archipelago and the Orang Laut of southeastern Sumatra and the Riau Islands of Indonesia. The modern outward spread of the Sama Bajau from older inhabited areas seems to have been associated with the development of sea trade in sea cucumber. Tawi-Tawi is considered the largest seaweed-producing province in the Philippines, with roughly 80% of Tawi-Tawians earning a living from seaweed farming. Seaweed is sold to extract its carrageenan, a gelling and stabilizing substance used widely in dairy and meat products. Tawi-Tawi Island is hilly and heavily wooded, with splashes of white sandy beaches and rock-bound coasts. It is one of the most beautiful islands in the world, and although now considered generally safe, it is still highly recommended to register first at the tourism office before proceeding with tours in Tawi-Tawi. Panampangan Island, one of the tourist spots in Tawi-Tawi, is a 12-hectare property located in between the municipalities of Panglima Sugala and Sapi-Sapi. Though the island is undeniably breathtaking with its white sand and towering palm trees, it still remains to be fairly unvisited by tourists. During low tide, the island reveals a 3.1-kilometer-long sandbar that extends its reach to the neighboring island in the same reef. Wade a few hundred meters offshore and you'll be greeted by one of the richest marine life you'll ever see. Sea urchins, turtles, colorful fishes, and pristine corals, still unspoiled. Today, the island has a few simple huts for visitors looking for a relaxing retreat. It's managed by a family of friendly locals who will gladly provide you with a delicious feast straight from the sea. The nearest jump-off point is about 24 kilometers away in Panglima Sugala, where you can take a 2-hour boat ride to the island. Pangwan Island is an island in the municipality of Sitangkai, Tawi-Tawi, with an area of 0.06 square kilometers. It is also known as Malamanok. It is the last island of the Sulu archipelago nearest to the Philippine-Malaysian border. In this island, we can see the state of Sabah. It is 50 kilometers or 31 miles away. Just like other Philippine border communities, the area lacks access to food, potable water and healthcare. Around 30 minutes away from Semporna, Sabah, and under the municipality of Sitangkai in Tawi-Tawi. Pangwan Island is considered one of the most remote islands in the southern part where the Philippine flag was raised. It is the last island guarded by the Philippine Marines. If you plan a visit, it can be reached via a 6-hour boat ride from Bongao. Recently, Philippine Airlines and Bangsamoro government launched the inaugural flight of the first ever regional air connectivity on June 9, 2022, from Cotabato City, the region's seat and capital. Meanwhile, Cebu Pacific began operating a daily flight from Zamboanga City to Tawi-Tawi province on October 14, 2011, utilizing its 150-seater Airbus A319 aircraft. Philippine Airlines, operated by PAL Express, also started operating flights to and from Zamboanga City on December 15, 2019. Experience the life like you are in paradise by visiting Tawi-Tawi, witnessing the natural beauty of the place and culture of the inhabitants of this amazing island.